Good morning guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus and let me show you how to perform a soft reset of this device. So basically all you have to do is tap on power button along with volume down button. So hold them together. Keep holding. And once you see Samsung logo, you can remove your fingers and give it a couple of seconds to be rebooted. Then you will be able to use your device again. And that's it. As you can see now, you can smoothly unlock it and use however you like. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.